Hey bikers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's radar lately, the medium displacement motorcycle market. These bikes are perfect for riders who want something powerful, but not too overwhelming, offering a blend of agility, performance, and versatility. One bike that perfectly encapsulates all these traits is the new and spectacular Triumph Speed 400. This motorcycle marks a strategic collaboration between British brand Triumph and Indian powerhouse Bajaj, aimed at conquering the high-demand market of mid-range bikes globally. In fact, this is Bajaj's head-to-head answer to the dominance of Royal Enfield, and today I'm going to give you 7 reasons why the Triumph Speed 400 deserves a spot in your garage. 1. The perfect retro style. First up, let's talk design. The Triumph Speed 400 blends retro, scrambler, and off-road styles seamlessly, giving it a unique, timeless look. This isn't just any bike. It draws heavy inspiration from its bigger brothers like the Triumph Speed 900 and Triumph Trident 660. From the classic circular headlight and full LED lighting to the semi-straight handlebars, this bike radiates that premium British feel at a much more affordable price. The steel tubular chassis, metallic fenders, and elegant exhaust system all add to its classic vibe while keeping it lightweight. If you love the look of old-school motorcycles but crave modern functionality, this is one of the best options out there. 2. Powerful yet balanced performance. Second reason. Let's talk performance. The Triumph Speed 400 isn't just a pretty face. Under the retro exterior lies a 398.15 cc DOHC single-cylinder engine, delivering a robust 39.4 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute. And that's not all. It also packs 37.5 Newton-meters of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, giving you all the grunt you need, whether you're tackling city traffic or cruising down highways. With a top speed that can exceed 160 kilometers per hour, this bike strikes a fantastic balance between power and control. Plus, its liquid-cooled engine and Bosch fuel injection system ensures smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. That means less time at the pump and more time on the road, with an average fuel consumption of around 33 kilometers per liter. 3. Affordability without compromise. Now here's the third reason, the price. For all the premium features packed into the Triumph Speed 400, its price is a real game changer. In India, you can pick it up for around 217,000 to 265,000 rupees, which is almost on par with the Honda CB 350 RS and about 10% cheaper than the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. In Europe, it's available from €5,600, while in the US, you're looking at roughly $5,000. It's affordable, but doesn't skimp on any of the features you'd expect from a Triumph. If you're on the hunt for a high-quality motorcycle that won't break the bank, this is a fantastic option. 4. Advanced technology. Fourth on our list is the technology. The Triumph Speed 400 is equipped with modern tech that enhances both safety and convenience. It has an anti-hop clutch, switchable traction control, and dual-channel ABS as standard. On top of that, you get a fully digital monochrome display integrated with an analog speedometer. It's simple, classic, and effective. Let's not forget about the USB Type-C charging port. Whether you're on a long trip or just commuting, this feature is perfect for keeping your devices charged on the go. 5. Excellent suspension and handling. Fifth reason, the ride quality. The Triumph Speed 400 offers an excellent suspension setup with 43 mm inverted telescopic front forks and 140 mm of travel. The rear comes with a preload adjustable monoshock and 130 mm of travel. This means the bike handles rough terrain like a dream, absorbing bumps effortlessly. Whether you're navigating city streets, highways, or even light off-road paths, this bike keeps you comfortable and in control. You can ride it in all conditions without worrying about losing balance or control. 6. Lightweight and agile. Next up, reason 6. Agility. With a curb weight of just 170 kilograms for the Speed 400 version, it's lighter than many of its direct competitors like the Royal Enfield Himalayan. Its lightweight design, combined with 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, makes it incredibly easy to maneuver. Whether you're cornering through tight city streets or enjoying winding mountain roads, this bike's agility makes every ride a thrill. 7. A wide range of customization options. Last but not least, reason number 7. Customization. Triumph offers over 20 factory accessories for the Speed 400, letting you truly make this bike your own. Whether you're after a more rugged off-road look or a sleek city cruiser style, there are plenty of ways to personalize your ride. You can add everything from tank protectors, premium seats, and even a headlight protector. With the Scrambler 400X variant, you also get unique handlebars and a dual exhaust system right out of the box. So there you have it, folks. 7 solid reasons to consider buying the Triumph Speed 400. From its retro-inspired design and powerful engine to its advanced tech and unbeatable price, this bike truly offers something for everyone. It's the perfect ride for those who want style, performance, and affordability in one package. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future reviews and updates. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe. I'll catch you in the next one.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape,